Elliot, Erica would like to see you in her office.
Me?
Come over here so I can take a better look at you. Oh, don't walk. I'd really prefer if you crawled.
Like a lot of people my age, I've had conflicted and confusing feelings about sex.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I do have a girlfriend.
You almost done? You wouldn't get weird then.
Weird.
If we fucked.
Your relationship with your employer was primarily sexual in nature? What's that?
Yes.
Why does all the cool sex deviant stuff always happen to you?
You're a sexual astronaut, just exploring the outer limits of experience.
I want to have a threesome, but it has to happen quick.
Where Erica's not into me.
Oh, no, dude, I already sent her a pic.
What? Which one?
No, I look like a garden gnome in this picture.
I'm a slave to this vagina.
Join the fucking club.
I think about you all the time. It's like I can't change the channel.
That's perfectly normal.
We really need you to tell us the whole story. What we have, it's special.
Strictly a sex thing, you understand that, right?
You're not the first. You won't be the last.
I lost everything because of you.
Am I a suspect here?
Why are you doing this?
Because you like it, baby.
Erica, stop.
I felt like maybe I was falling in love with you.
Are you serious?
No, I just said that to fuck with you.